So in this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over this little tent ceiling fan. This is the F20 model. Oh, it's a rechargeable ceiling fan. You heard me right. It's an actual ceiling fan with a light built into it. Has a little hook right here for hooking it up on top of your ceiling fan, and it actually comes with a remote. I already took it out and looked over it here. Here's all of the features of it. There's not much to it. You know what? You can put it together pretty much without the instructions. Let me just take everything out and show you what you get with it here. You don't need a box, a little bit of styrofoam, came in some plastic. This is actually a really cool item. I never thought we'd have a ceiling fan for my tent. To install the fan blades, you're going to take that little hook off right here. Check it out. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just one pops in there, one pops in there. You got 3 fan blades that pop in right there like that. You're going to actually screw this back on. Y'all see that? And now that holds it all in place right there. You've got the remote right here. There's a little pull tab right here, and it's got an off, the light, and then all of the features. There's a timer mode, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, a USB-C cable. And then this is how this thing's gonna work. You got this little hook right here. Show you how this works. You can turn it on manually, but you know what? It's way easier to do it with the remote. Check that out. Y'all see that? There's the 1 mode, 2 mode, 3 modes. It's got 3 modes of action on it there, everybody. And then the light feature, you can't really see the light in the daytime here, but there is a little light. Now these blades are pretty much harmless. Obviously you don't want to stick your finger in there, but if you do, an automatic shut off when you hit it like that, so it doesn't keep winding up. You guys see that? Watch. Let's say it's hitting like that, then you go to lift up and your head hits it. Check that out. Ain't that cool? They actually thought of that and they built that in there like that. So let me go ahead, let me put it inside the tent and show you what it does while it's in the tent. Okay, here we are. This is the Kelty tent right here. This is my 2-person tent. Let me show you how this is gonna work. So what you're gonna do, almost every tent has a little place to hang a light. So you're gonna take this down and you see this little hook. Almost, seriously, every tent, even the cheapest of tents has that. Y'all see that? Watch this. So use the remote. It acts kind of crazy, then it starts taking off, and look how it goes. No joke, it is actually just blowing throughout this entire tent. You see the lights on, so if I want to turn the light up, the light's on bright. I can dim the light. I can put the light on a timer, turn the light off. Now watch this, I'm gonna go up. There's max speed, back down. That thing is awesome, everybody. This is one of the cooler items for a tent that I've seen. Check that out. That works great. If you would have told me there would be a ceiling fan in my tent, a little 2-person tent like this, I probably wouldn't have believed you. And that feels great. Actually, I keep a thermometer in here. I just dropped 1 degree by putting that thing up. So that thing will actually cool off the tent while you're in it, especially while you're sleeping at night. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the tent ceiling fan. See you on the next video.